Mental health is important for enjoying life and achieving our goals. In a busy and stressful world, it's crucial to focus on our mental health. Here are some tips to help you improve your mental health in a stressful world. Learn to manage stress. Stress is inevitable, but we can learn to manage it. Identify the factors that cause you stress and find ways to reduce them. You can try relaxation techniques, such as meditation or yoga, or you can increase your physical activity to reduce stress. Give yourself time to rest. It's important to pay attention to rest and sleep. Make sure you get enough sleep, but also take time for activities that bring you joy and relaxation, such as reading, cooking, or spending time with friends and family. Eat healthily. Nutrition has a significant impact on mental health. Try to eat healthy foods, rich in nutrients, and avoid processed and sugary foods. Also, try to drink plenty of water and avoid alcohol and drugs. Set realistic goals. Setting realistic goals can help you maintain a positive attitude and feel more motivated. Make sure you set goals that are achievable and can be accomplished within the time you have available. Maintain healthy relationships. Relationships are important for mental health. Try to spend time with people who bring you joy and support and avoid toxic individuals or relationships that make you feel insecure. Be open and communicate. Communication is important for mental health. Be open and communicate with trusted individuals about your feelings and any problems or issues you're facing. Maintain a routine. A well-established routine can help you feel more organized and productive. Set a daily schedule that includes time for relaxation, work, rest, and socializing. Practice gratitude. Gratitude can be an important factor in maintaining a positive outlook. Take time each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for, no matter how small.